So these are the hub roller bearings. You can see they're heavily greased. I'm going to do those in the batch. You can see there's a lot of grease here also. So we're cleaning the parts in an ULTRA Vapor Degreaser. This is the Reliance brand Vapor Degreaser. This particular unit's an ULTRA 2012 LE. This is our second smallest model, and it's got our BHE vertical elevator. The larger systems have dual axis and coder positioned ground level load unload automation. But this is for a large volume production, a large parts, this would be a bit smaller than what would be typically used. Put it over into the carrier. Turn the ultrasonics on. Okay, so we turn the ultrasonics off. We're gonna go ahead and pull the bearing parts up and take a look at them. And so you remember how oiled they were. You can see when you shake them, you can hear the roller bearings rattle. You can see now this was all filled with grease. This is now completely clear inside of there, inside of that channel. Inside of this this gasket, it's all clean and clear as well. Solvent didn't affect the gasket and material at all. So these look extremely clean and appear to be we're done with the process.